Timer's ticking.
I wanna eat chicken palm.
Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Let's go! Yo, 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 fellas. Remember when we had the Santa hat on and we were saying ho, ho, ho? Remember when we were down at like 15K? We were all depressed, miserable. Those are great times. Now we don't have to wear the Santa hat. Anyways, what's going on, fellas? Let's get a little hype in the chat here. We're getting some hype. Bitcoin is getting, was getting a little move up earlier. Can we get another little move up on stream? Let's talk about it. Bitcoin's in a tough position right now. So let's get busy. Let's get some hype in the chat. Like we said, we need Bitcoin to give Bitcoin the energy. We've been doing the last couple of days. It finally decided to get a move up. So let's get a little energy in the chat. I want to see tonight. It's Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day. So guys, I know you guys don't want to put the hearts in the chat. Spam those hearts, okay? Put all the hearts in the chat right now for Valentine's Day. Let's get busy. Come on. Let me see those hearts, baby. Let me see those hearts. Come on. Let me see them. Let me see the hearts. Come on. Oh, shit. Hold on, I gotta turn on the audio. There it is. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's go, man. This is the best heart I could come up with. What's going on, fellas? This looks so emasculate. This looks so emasculate right now. All right, here we go. It doesn't even matter, man. Look at the hearts in the chat. Happy Valentine's Day, man. Happy Valentine's Day. How's everyone doing today? Oh my, everyone's doing pretty good today. I can see, man. Everyone's getting some love tonight. I hope you guys are all getting love. I hope you guys are getting some action. You guys are banging. I don't care what you're banging. I don't care if you're banging your girlfriend. I don't care if you're banging some thing down the street that you found for one night. I don't care if you're just banging an altcoin. I don't care what you're doing. As long as you're getting a little action tonight. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? As long as you're getting a little action. As long as you guys are getting a little bit of sexy time, you know? A little bit of sexy time. Because that's all we need, my guys, right? I'm about to get so much sexy time tonight. Hey, Karen. I didn't get you any flowers. You know what I got you? I got you this big cock, baby. Mike, you're so romantic. So romantic. Come here, big boy. Anyways, guys, let's end it. What's going on, fellas? Let's jump onto the stream here. What's going on, fellas? Bitcoin did get that move up. Who we got in here? We got B Water. I see him. I always see him in here. End Moments and Street Banging. We got Daniel said, where to long BTC times 5? Times 5. Holy shit. We'll talk about some price action in a second. I want to see how everyone's doing right now. We got Dan in here saying just rub one out. Oh no, that was Judge Bibles. He said just rub one out. I mean, you could always do that. You know, you could always rub one out on Valentine's Day. It's not as fun. You know, I already did my my Valentine's Day card rant earlier, guys. You guys know I'm not a big believer in cards. You guys know that. I'm not a big believer in cards, my man. Cards are, I'm not going to go over it again, but you guys know my rant in cards, man. I think I actually got a little bit of a shadow ban because I made fun of cards. People were hating. I think I got reported. Apparently not liking cards is a huge American thing. You can't not like cards. You got to support the paper companies, man, who take down trees. You know what I mean? Let's see. Who we got? We got Josh in here. So how many kids will be born in 9 months? How many kids will be born in 9 months? That a lot of kids. A lot of kids will be born in 9 months. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, guys, let's talk some price action. So we did get that move up, man. We did get that move up. I think we deserve a little bit of a pump song today. All right, let's get it, man. We did see that little bit of a move up. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm pumped right now. So the CPI actually came in bad, right? So we got actually bad news. The CPI came in hotter than expected, right? And yet Bitcoin just shrugged it off, right? The markets kind of just shrugged it off and decided to get a move to the upside. It was a weird ass day, man. And this is why I always like to say, guys, you know, sometimes the news. Sometimes you gotta respect your charts, right? Because what we were talking about last night, we said, you know, we had the W formation played out perfectly like we wanted to. We had bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame, right? We had lower lows. We had higher lows on market cipher. We had the 4-hour green dot. We had the 6-hour green dot. We had the 8-hour green dot. I think we just printed the 12-hour. We printed the 12-hour green dot. And we're probably going to print the daily today if we can close about where we are now. But holy shit, man. Holy shit, that the market just shrugged off the CPI. And I have a tweet for you by GCR, right? GCR, popular guy, right? He basically said, take note. He said, when the news impacts the price, market participants often fixate on whether it's true or not. Basically, he said, how the market reacts to the news and for how long, that turns out to be a lot more informative. So today, you would have thought, if this was 3 months ago, right? If basically what happened today with the CPI was 3 months ago, you already know what had happened. All the bears would have been saying, oh, CPI came in hot. I think they're coming after us. No, it's good. It's good. I think they're going after Bob. CPI came in hot. We're going to get a massive dump. Oh, my God. The bulls are absolutely screwed. The bulls are absolutely screwed. What do you think? Everyone over on Twitter in the comments section that thought we were going to dump today. Oh, my God, guys. Oh, my God. The bulls are going to get absolutely screwed. I'm going to go short right here at the lows. I'm going to go short here at the lows. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go short right at support. That sounds like a good idea. That sounds like a really good idea. man, yeah, they decided to just rip it to the upside, man. Right? Honestly, it was pretty bearish earlier this morning, man. I mean, that was some pretty bearish news. But then they just decided to rip it up to the upside. Now, anyways, this is my guys. Even if you get bad news and you're at support, you're playing a very risky game shorting that support, man. I mean, it is what it is. It is what it is, right? The daily time frame. You're gonna get you did not post that green dot on the daily time frame on Market Saver. If you close tomorrow, you can even close a little bit red. You're going to get the daily green dot on Market Saver. The last time you got that daily green dot was all the way back here on December 26th, which was right before we started to get that little move to the upside, man. So there, I will say, right? And on top of that, you got your stock RSI in the daily that will reset. At some point, it needs to reset. You got the reset back down to the low, so this has the momentum to come back up to the upside. But we're not out of the woods yet. Okay, we are not out of the woods yet. Because, why are we not out of the woods yet? Why are we not out of the woods yet? Bob, why are we not out of the woods yet?
We're not out of the woods yet because, one, Shiba hasn't pumped yet, okay? To be honest, Shiba's pissing me off. I might sell my Shiba for, I think, Dogebonk. Dogebonk has been going nuts, guys. If you like meme coins, check out Dogebonk. But second of all, Bitcoin hasn't gone anywhere. It needs to get back above this gray box. I don't know what the gray box is. Jordan just drew it, but it's a very important gray box, all right? And yes, guys, I have a date tonight, so you might not see me for the rest of the stream. I have a very important date. A hot chick. She likes me. She likes me. I told her I'm rich, but I'm not. But, you know, she digs me. She digs me. I met her on Tinder. I said, I literally am a Shiba millionaire. I own like 1 million Shiba, but so technically I am a Shiba millionaire. But yeah, I'll be on a date, guys, tonight. I'm gonna get laid. Later, guys. I'll see you later. Peace.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you, Bob. Who thinks Bob is gonna get laid? Let me know in the chat. Who thinks Bob is gonna get laid? Let me know in the chat. I don't know if Bob's gonna get laid, man. I don't know if Bob's gonna get laid. Who we got in here? We got Whale Talk said, actually kind of like Bob's surgery. Nice, man. Never go with the plastic surgery, man. Plastic surgery is never the way to go, right? To be honest, I think most people look worse when they get plastic surgery. I'm just saying, right? Don't hit me for my opinion. I think so. All right, but guys, Bitcoin's in a very, very tough position because, yes, it's got to rise to the upside. It's awesome, right? The rise to the upside has been great, okay? But look at where Bitcoin's getting resistance now. We're back up to the golden pocket between this 0.65 and the 0.618, right? Your golden pocket, which is also the bottom of these range lows. We got to get back above this level if we want to confirm that we want to continue up, right? Right now, this could still just be a bearish retest, right? This could just be us coming back up, retesting the lows before continue move to the downside. So we need to see Bitcoin be able to reclaim, like we said, back above here, all right? And then if we get some 4-hour candle closes above here, that's when we could be pushing for some of these, this next target up at 24,609. But only if we get back above these lows, man. All right, so we got to do that. We got to do that. And we're not going to do it without everyone in the chat putting that energy, spreading that love today, smacking that like button. Guys, if you could smack up that like button for your boy. Really, really, man. I mean, listen. If you could do it, that really helps out the channel. I definitely appreciate you guys being in here. You could be out there going on a Tinder date or, you know, going out with your girlfriend, right? Trying to get laid. But instead what you're trying to do, you're here with me, hanging out. We're talking charts, all right? So what we're going to do, we're going to bang these charts, man. We're going to bang the shit out of these charts. Like Becker banged your mom last night. That's what we're going to do. Yeah, I did bang your mom last night. Listen, anyone who saw Cardano pump today, don't listen. Cardano is a fake pump. All right. I asked your mom last night, you know, when I was banging her, like I was literally just banging her. And while I was banging her, I told her to be quiet. And I said, hey, why does your son like Cardano? As I'm banging her, right? As I'm banging her, right? Because I mean, Valentine's Day is whatever to me. I bang moms on the daily. But like, I was like, why are you... where is your son so bullish on Cardano? And she honestly, she called you a loser, right? So it's not just me. Sell your Cardano, guys. I had got a little pump. This is your time to get out of Cardano, bro, right? Thank you. All right, but yeah, I mean, listen. Even Cardano had a pump today. That's how you know. That's how you know. Look, we're looking pretty good. But yeah, dude, Bitcoin is at a tough level right now, and I hope we can break it. I hope we can break it. But guys, in a little bit, we're gonna wake up. We're gonna wake up Asia in this bitch. We're gonna wake up Asia in this bitch, man. Because Asia, I think, you know, I know Bitcoin's at the golden pocket here. I'm looking at the chart. I still think Bitcoin can have another spike up here to the $22,500 level, which is that 786. I think we could see that tonight. I honestly do, right? I'm looking at the chart and I'm looking at, you know, Bitcoin just kind of slowly making higher lows, right? Getting rejected from the same point in the top side. What do we call that? We call that just kind of smacking that resistance, right? Eventually, you got to think this breaks if it slowly starts to move up here. I'm looking at 22.5. I do think we're going to spike up there. And that's probably where you're, if it is to spike up there, that's probably will be the top of the night if it does spike up there at that 786 Fibonacci. So let's get it. Let's get all the Vikings in the chat right now, man. Let's get all the Vikings in the chat right freaking now. Oh man! Shout out to everyone who's jerking off tonight. Who else is jerking off? Allow It said pump clickbait title. It ain't a clickbait title, man. It ain't a clickbait title. What do you consider a pump? Because I know, okay, Bitcoin went up 3%, but I mean, look at some of these altcoins. I mean, multiple altcoins went up 10+% today. So I don't know what to tell you, man. I'm sorry that you are a bottom shorter. I'm sorry. I am sorry. But tomorrow, maybe you can do a little better. I know this morning that, you know, you decided to wake up and it was Valentine's Day. And you're like, I'm feeling kind of bearish, right? And you got ready, you know. You know, you put your makeup on and you decided to go to work today, you know. I'm sorry. I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. But anyways, what was I going to say? Let's get all the Vikings in the chat because, listen, I want to see Bitcoin get another rise up tonight, man. I don't know about you. I want to see it tonight. I don't want to wait till tomorrow. I don't want to wait till the next day. I want to see it tonight. So let's get in the chat right now, man. Give me all those swords and shields right freaking now. Be a bunch of Chads. Be a bunch of Wojaks. Okay, whatever you want to be. But let's get busy. All right, hold on. Let me find my Viking. Here he is. All right, let's get busy. Here we go. Vikings, assemble. Spam the swords and shields in the chat. Let's go. My stream is my dinner date. Let's go, man. Look at the swords and shields. Come on. Stan said underrated comment from John. What did John say? John said Bob and Savvy are going to make a butt babies tonight. Bob and Savvy. Oh, God. Bob and Savvy. That would be absolutely nasty, my man. Look at all the swords and shields. Look at all the emojis in this bitch. Look at this. Look at this shit, man. Look at the hype in the chat right now. I'm excited. This is great. Now, obviously, right? We want Bitcoin to get a pump up right now. We want to do it, man. Let's say Bitcoin doesn't, okay? Because, you know, there's always two sides to every story, okay? If Bitcoin starts coming back down, because it is at a big resistance level, right? You sort of, you know, you're back above the 50 EMA, but you really haven't gotten, like, this seamless break where it's, like, obvious, where it's, like, yes, man, we broke this. This is exciting. Because you're still just kind of hovering at the 50 EMA, right? You're at the golden pocket. Let's say Bitcoin can't get another move to the upside, right? Let's say Bitcoin starts to come back down. I guess at that point, what you're really hoping for is to hold this W formation high right here at 22,000, which is also the previous 0.5 retracement. So that would be the first level, right? Obviously, if it breaks down, we'll talk about lower levels at that point, right? I mean, you're looking at 21,800, 21,700 on the shorter term time frames. But if it does decide to dump, we're looking for 22,092 to hold in the immediate, the very, very short term. You know what I mean? The very, very, very short term. All right. So anyways, who we got in here? Would you rather sing Britney Spears, Oops, I Did It Again, or Christina Aguilera, I'm a Genie in a Bottle? I kind of like I'm a Genie in a Bottle, you know? I'm not going to lie. Pete. I'm a genie in a bottle. You gotta love me the right way if you want to be with me. I should be on American Idol. I don't know about you guys. I should be on American Idol. Maybe then we'll have another American Idol. You got all this alien FUD right now. All this alien damn FUD, right? All the Fed stuff didn't work, so now we have to spread alien FUD. You know, like, there's always some other type of FUD, man. I mean, listen, Bitcoin fought through adversity today. You had a bad CPI print. You had 2 stable coins being attacked by the SEC. You had BUSD being attacked last weekend. Just in earlier today, you actually had... Whoop, did he delete the tweet? Did he delete the tweet? Maybe he deleted the tweet. But you have the SEC going after USDC and Circle, apparently, right? See, Bitcoin battled adversity today, okay? And the fact that Bitcoin did not dump today is still crazy to me. But hey, Bitcoin's the honey badger, man. Bitcoin sometimes don't care what you think, okay? It's going to do what you want. Or it's going to do what it wants, like I should say, right? You guys know. You guys know.
Rant alert.
All right, let's go back over to the daily, right? Because, you know, once again, I mean, we're sitting back above that mid-level of the range, right? This is one big range from 25,000 down to, 18,000. One big range. The FTX dump was a deviation. I don't really look at that price action, right? I look at this was the lows. FTX going under, pushed you back below. You deviated back into the range. And now you basically the test of 21,400 was the mid-level, right? So you found some perfect support off that. The daily looks okay, right? I mean, it does. It does. I don't care what you say. It looks pretty good to me, right? Daily stocks bottomed out. You're gonna print a green dot tomorrow, most likely on Market Cipher. The daily looks pretty juicy. To me, at least, right? I'm not going to wait till Bitcoin gets back up here to say, okay, the daily looks pretty juicy. No, I'm going to call it as I see it. I think the daily looks pretty juicy. Up until this point. The weekly, okay, the little old weekly, the little old weekly deekly. All of a sudden, here we go in the weekly, man. I mean, we got this all-time high downtrend coming down, okay? And we know we did peak our head over that all-time high downtrend basically so far. And this might change, right? But so far, we basically rose. We came back down, right? Look at that perfect back test of that trend line, right? And now you're seeing a reaction off that trend line. Will it hold? Well, if it does...
Strap up. We're going to the moon.
Maybe not to the moon. I'm being a little dramatic. You bears will come in and say...
Nothing has changed.
Right? But I will argue that maybe something has. But you perfectly back tested that trend line. You're still above the bull market support band. That's why I continue to say, like, okay, we got to pull back. Okay, I mean, you can get pullbacks and uptrends. I don't understand, like, as soon as you get a dump, you get all the fudsters coming out saying, I told you! I told you! It's like, what did you tell me, man? I'm looking at the weekly right now, and, you know, what have you told me? Okay, what have you told me? It doesn't mean that Bitcoin can't just roll back over, but up to this point, what have you told me? I don't know what you've told me. Quite frankly... You haven't told me shit, right?
Rant alert.
You have not told me shit. The weekly does not look bearish. I don't know what people are looking at. I don't know what people are sniffing. Okay? I don't know if people are just sniffing their assholes because they got no date on Valentine's Day. I don't know what they're doing. Okay? Everyone's worried about this UFO shit. We're not going to get started with that, right? They're trying to distract you. Dude, this does not look bearish, man. I don't care what you say. Bob Java Horse Guy. Oh my, come on, man. I don't have a choice, man. If I had a choice, I would totally get them back, man. But I don't have a choice, you know? You guys got to stop bringing that up, man. It makes me more sad than you, okay? Stop bringing that up. It makes me more sad than you. Every single time you guys bring up, you know, one of my long-lost brothers, man, I start to die a little bit inside, right? Seriously. Seriously, guys. Like, I'm going to have a mental breakdown right now. We had, like, a year and a half of Bob Java and Horse Guy, okay? And Snapchat, what a shitty ass company Snapchat is, had to come in and wipe them clean. Freaking Snapchat. I honestly, I cried the other day. I did. I cried really, really loudly, and I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. You know, the aliens have came and abducted, I think, Java, Bob, and Horse Guy. It's unbelievable, bro. It's unbelievable. You know? Alright. I gotta make you guys feel bad a little bit. You know what it is. You know what it is. I'm not gonna bring on the fake tears, right? Oh my god, I love you. No, but I had to, you know. Guys, it's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Let's see. We pray. No bull market without these guys. Who would swim and match? I'm back. Did I miss the alien encounter? No alien encounters. No alien encounters yet. Stupid song. Be right back. Killing myself. Oh my god. Don't be saying that, man. That's messed up. All right. So anyways. Let's get back on track. We're getting kind of sad now, and see Bitcoin's dumping because we're getting sad, right? Let's bring back the positive energy here. No more sadness, okay? We will be positive. The world is a shit show around us, but we will be a positive in this stream, man. Right? As much positive we can be. Let's go. What is it? We're 25 minutes into the stream. We've kind of just we've talked a lot about Bitcoin. Right? I mean, the weekly to me is still, I mean, we just bouncing right off the mid-range. It's beautiful to me, man. I mean, all these, this previous resistance, all it's doing is just flipping that shit as support. That's all it's doing. We make this into this, like, confusing thing. All we got to look at is these, like, 20 weekly candles here and say, wow, look at this. We're flipping resistance into support. Holy shit. Holy shit!
Rant alert.
This is some crazy shit. We're doing something crazy. But yeah, like I said, I think the weekly still looks pretty good. You know, like I said, the short term. I mean, the short term's the short term. Like I said, I'm not gonna get like ridiculously confident like in the immediate short term. I need to see this 618 break. I need to see this golden pocket break because you kind of did a similar thing up here. Like you see, you had this W formation. You had a low, high, low. You came up, right? We thought we were breaking. Oh, we're breaking out. We're back above the 50 and 30 EMAs, and then you got sent back down, right? If you notice, I mean, you got the W formation. You got the rise back above the 30 and 50 EMAs. Great, but you need to see a little bit more momentum, man. I need to see some more momentum. I need to see more juice. Okay, whether it's pickle juice, lemon juice, chicken parm juice, which I'm going to be eating tonight. All right, marinara sauce. We need some type of good juice to get a little bit more momentum above this shit. Okay, but right now, I mean, we're just kind of sitting there below. But we need the juice, man. Who's got the juice? Who's got the damn juice, man? Who we got? Let's see. Santa hat would pump it? You think so? All right, Mike, just for you, man. Let's get the Santa hat rolling on the stream tonight. All right, let's go back to Bitcoin in the 15-minute time frame. We are holding the 30 EMA. Let's get that hat on. Let me see what you got in the 5-minute. 5 minutes going to get that momentum. 1 minute, just got the... Okay. Let's get the hat on. Let's get the Santa hat on this bitch. Okay? We're going to do this. Santa hat. Okay? We're going to get the Santa hat on. Okay? This is a lucky Santa hat. If you guys are new to the stream, this is a lucky Santa hat. We have not making a new low. I'm serious. Like, since we put this hat on, all the way back in, I think it was late December. Okay, we have yet to make a lower low on a higher time frame. We have yet to do it. Okay, still, even with this dump right here, you still have not made a lower low on the higher term time frames, right? You're still making higher lows. I think we started putting the Santa hat on right here, right around Christmas time, right? And we've made higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. We will continue to put in the higher lows, my friends. We ain't messing around. We ain't messing around in this bitch. We're going to see Bitcoin bounce off this 30 EMA and come back up to this $22,500 level. We ain't playing around here, okay? We ain't doing it. I'm looking at some of these short-term time frames. I don't see no bearish divergences. I don't see no 15-minute bearish divs. I see lower highs, 5-minute. I don't see no... you did have bearish dip, but you basically already came back down to the bottom of the range. This is the 5-minute time frame. Hourly, I don't see no bearish dips, right? I think there's a chance that Bitcoin could still get another move to the upside. And that's what I'm looking at right now, all right? I don't care what y'all said, right? And we're about to wake up China because I don't want to wait anymore, man. Let's get China awake, all right? It's Valentine's Day. I don't know if it's Valentine's Day for them. If it is, you know, they're probably already awake doing a little, they're probably already awake doing a little, craziness. You know what I'm saying? But I don't care. It's not time for that. It's time to wake up China, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's win that hat. Here we go, it's working. It's working a little bit. Here we go. Wake up, China. Wake them up. Wake them up. You guys want me to eat shrimp so bad, don't you, man? It's working a little bit. It's coming up. It's coming up a little bit. You guys are begging me to eat a shrimp, man. All right, we'll say this. We'll say this, guys. If Bitcoin right now, if Bitcoin tonight can break on stream above this $22,300 level tonight on stream, we're only talking a $100 move. If Bitcoin can break $22,300 tonight, I will go out to the store and I will get some shrimp and I will eat raw shrimp on stream tomorrow. But we got to break this $22,300 level. So if there's a whale out there, listen, if there's a whale that wants to see me eat shrimp, you know, someone, Clint, I don't know, that wants to pump up the price, it's your perfect time, man. It's your perfect time. Swing those big whale balls, right? Come out of nowhere. Swing those big whale balls, bro. You already know what it is. Come out swinging. Swing that shit, right? Be that Chad. Yeah, I'll pump the market. I'll pump the market. I'm a Chad after all. I want to see Jordan eat shrimp. So I'm about to pump the market, guys. Get ready. I'm just gonna move it a little lower here, get my low orders in, and then I'm gonna move it up. Hold up. All right. Hopefully Chad can do it. Hopefully Chad can do it. Let's see. Swing those big whale balls. My short bid this morning was 22,340. It didn't fill. Oh, you missed it by $5. By $5, my man. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. That's really, really tough. Let's go look at ETH. Let's go look at Captain Old ETH, man. Let's see what we got on Ethereum. Because ETH has come back into the range, right? And this is what we've been kind of saying for Ethereum is you've got your range lows, right? That you did break down from on Monday, right? Yesterday. You did break down from those range lows. But now if you look at what Ethereum did, it looks a little interesting, right? Take a look, right? All of our XY, I think everyone's been with Ethereum at this point. Who hasn't banged ETH? Who hasn't banged ETH? If you want to, it's Valentine's Day and you need a little love, just hit up ETH. She's always available, right? ETH is like that girl, in middle school, right? That, if you ever wanted to have your first kiss, she would always be down to kiss anyone, right? That's kind of like ETH here. She's always available. If you look at this, ETH broke back below the lows, deviated, got back in on high time frames, right? 4 hour, daily, same thing. But if you look at ETH, it's the same kind of deal. You still got this 50 and 30 EMAs that you're kind of struggling with, right? So we need to kind of battle. We need to battle with these ranges because this is great, right? This is awesome. But we need to hold the line here. We need to hold the damn line. We did take this one vector candle today, but you still got the second one up here. You see this one from like, 1580 to 1631? You still got this juicy one up here. So either way, I do think, once again, right, even when we were dumping down here, we said, okay, they're probably going to rise it up at some point before they rise it down. Here they go. They bring it up. Still think you come and take this one at some points because you only took one of these bad boys, right? But they left this one up here. Why? We'll find out. We'll definitely find out. But usually when you see these deviations, you do see the top of the range again at some point. So whether you come back down and test again before coming back up, all right, or you hold the W formation highs before coming back up, whatever you do, you usually see back to the range highs if you break back into the range. So we shall find out. We shall find out on Captain Ethereum as she awaits all you guys to hit her up on Valentine's Day. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Jordan, when was your first kiss? My first kiss. You want to know when my first kiss was? My first kiss, right?
Jordan, don't lie. Be honest with them. Your first kiss was last year. Mine was your first kiss. Be honest. You were a big virgin before that. I know because I'm your brother, right? I always know. You didn't hang out with any chicks. You were a big ass virgin.
No, my first kiss was this was all, dude, I think I had to be like 6 years old, man. 6 years old back in preschool, right? Me and this one girl, we were both 6. We used to go back behind an old tree back in preschool, right? And she was like, you want to kiss? And I said, hell yeah, I want to kiss. Hell yeah, I want to kiss. And yeah, that was that. That was that. That was that, man. When was everyone's first kiss? How old were you when you had your first kiss? Let me know in the chat. Be honest. If you were 50, say you were 50. How old was everyone when they had their first kiss? This is a perfect Valentine's Day question, if you ask me. I don't know. I think it is. Psycho Pro with the super chat. He said, I got my Vaseline ready, bros. Psycho Pearl's ready to shoot this back down to the downside. Appreciate the super chat, Psycho. Psycho Lil Pearl. Psycho Pearl, Psycho Pearl, Psycho Pearl. Bitcoin had a wick down to the downside here. 22,105. So we'll see what Bitcoin does in the immediate short term. We're getting a little bit of a dump though. I'm taking the damn hat off, bro. It's too hot for that shit. It's too hot for that damn Santa hat tonight, guys. Psycho Pearl said I piped on the first kiss. Holy shit. 12, we got 14, we got 8. Dan was 69. Apparently Dan's older than 69. I guess, how old was George? Let's ask George. George, how old were you when you had your first kiss? Honestly, when I had my first kiss, I think it was about, 4 years ago when I started the Cryptos R Us channel. I was only interested in someone who was part of my cult, right? And during the stream, you guys always say, I am George, we're all George. So what I was doing is, I didn't like girls that weren't in crypto. I wanted a George to be my wife. So basically what I did in the chat is, I said, I am George. And I waited for, some girl icon in the chat to say, we are all George. Right? And my wife popped in the chat, and I had my first kiss, when I was 35, 4 years ago, when I started my Cryptos R Us channel, right? So that's it. You always have to marry in your cult, okay? You always have to marry in your cult. Anyways, guys, I'm out. No Q&A today. Peace out. Thanks, George. Thank you, George. Thank you, George. Let's see. Let's see what else we got. You lived the whole life by the time you reach middle school. Franco said, I like it when Jordan talks about his first kiss. What was his name? Oh, you freaking Franco!
Rant alert.
You freaking bitch. Franco, you little bitch. We ain't talking like that right now, okay? We ain't talking about that. Franco, let's not tell them. His name was Franco. Oh, man. Let's see. Dan said F this blockhead. He said F this blockhead. Who we got in here? Bitcoin could dump to 10K. Yes, that would be very, very true. I mean, listen, if you zoomed out Bitcoin at 10K, it would still be bullish at 10K. And on the longer term time frame. All right, anyways. Bitcoin got a wick down at 22,107. It's getting bought up back above the 30 EMA here, though. Right? That could have been a little short-term stop hunt to come back below, basically, these two previous supports, right? But you are getting a little bit of a bounce back up. Well, so let's see if we can get back into this range here. All right? Can we see a little short-term swing failure pattern here? Let's see what we got. We're talking immediate short-term swing failure. Let's go check ETH. So ETH, kind of the same deal as Bitcoin. Now, ETH hasn't broken the all-time high trend line yet. You've gotten 3 touches on it. We just touched it last week. We got that little touch, right? ETH hasn't banged yet. ETH is still trying to work her way into breaking the all-time high trend line, right? She has not gotten the D yet, okay? But how can ETH get the D? Well, ETH came down and bounced off the bull market support band this week, right? We've been sort of talking about this. And now we want to see, does ETH have the juice to get the D on Valentine's Day? It might not happen today, but she can start to work her way into the D on Valentine's Day. So we need to see ETH break this little level here, man. We need to see it. We need to see it to believe it. And to me, I've been sort of looking at this Ethereum price action, and it reminds me so much of the price action back here in 2019 as far as market structure. Doesn't mean it has to play out the same way, but I mean, look at the market structure, man. We get back above the bull market support band back here in 2019, right? Let me zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see, because it's smaller than an ant. It's smaller than a damn ant in this bitch. You guys can't see shit. Jordan, we can't see. Don't you know that half of us that watch the stream are over 50 years old? We're blind, all right? And quite frankly, you know, quite frankly, it doesn't even matter. I don't even want to see the shit. But we want to see it. Zoom the hell in. We're not ants out here. Zoom in. Christ, man. Jordan doesn't even know how to friggin' zoom in. He sucks. When zoom? No, but we look at ETH here. We get back above the bull market support band, but look, ETH just continues to make higher lows, right? And I'm looking at this price action that we've seen, right? And since the low, ETH just continues to put in higher lows here. Right below the all-time high resistance line. You're getting squeezed between the all-time high resistance line and the bull market support band, just like you did down here. All-time high trend line comes down, squeezed between the bull market support band and the all-time high trend line. This time you broke to the upside, right? This time you broke to the upside. The question is, what will happen this time? Will history repeat where you get squeezed between both and you get that move to the upside? Or will this time be different and we move to the downside? I don't know, but we always know that this time will be different is a very, very dangerous word, my man. You want to say this time is different? Well, I'll tell you this. It's a very, very dangerous word to play with. Anyways, let's go back to Bitcoin. Let's go back to Bitcoin here. Let's see. Recommend said yeah. He said yeah. Listen, I mean, dude, everyone's just so obsessed with the price going down. I'm going to say this, okay? I'm going to say this. If you were one of the people who was bearish down here, right? Okay, and I'm not saying this to be a dick. I'm saying this to be a realist. I'm saying this to open your eyes a little bit, okay? You're stuck in that bearish narrative. That's okay, right? That's okay. You can be stuck in the bearish narrative. But if you were one of the people that was bearish down here, right? And you were saying, there's no way. Jordan, you really think Ethereum could go up to 2,500? There's no way that can happen. You are an idiot. You are literally an idiot for thinking that can happen. You are literally a clown for thinking that ETH can get back up to 2,500. You're a freaking clown, bro. For all the people that are saying that now, were you the same person who was saying that when Bitcoin was down here at 15K? Let me know. Something tells me you were the same person who was saying that down here, that you don't think Bitcoin can get a rise up higher. And if you're not, right, if you were bullish down here and now you're bearish, okay, I kind of get that, right? I get it. There's more bearish signs. But if you think it's impossible for the market to move up from this point, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. There is money to be going into the market. I hate that narrative. Who's going to buy? Who's going to buy, bro? I don't know, man. Who bought today when all the news was bearish?
Rose, it's Valentine's Day and it's
You know what I'm saying?
Warning, shots fired.
Let's see. Gary Gensler going to try to kill all alts. So Bitcoin is the only one standing. Yeah, Gary Gensler's a little bitch, man. I will say. I said this earlier today. I will suplex Gary Gensler. I will take Gary Gensler. Basically, Gary Gensler looks like a damn alien. I think he might be the alien in the UFO. I will take Gary Gensler by the throat, right? This will be me. Come here, Gary. Come here, Gary. Come here.
I didn't do it on purpose. I'm trying to save you guys. I'm trying to save you guys. Don't let Jordan do this to me. Please. I'm just trying to help the fellow American. I don't want them to lose money, but I let them to go to all casinos and waste all their money in casinos. I let them buy lottery tickets. I let them do all this stuff, but I'm just trying to help the Americans. Please, Jordan, no. Don't suplex me. No.
I will suplex Gary Gensler back down to the shadow realm. This guy sucks, man. This guy trying to protect the general American, man. You let people buy lottery tickets. You let people buy lottery tickets. People have a better chance of making money in crypto than buying a damn freaking lottery ticket where you have a 1 in a billion chance, right, to win. Like, this is so stupid, man. Oh my God. I could rant about this shit all day. Helping the general American. Helping the general American, my ass, man. My freaking asshole.
Rant alert.
What do I have to say about you? Gary's not that handsome. Gary's not that handsome. This guy, yeah, that guy's not very handsome. But even, you think Gary's uglier than this? He said Gary's not that handsome. Oh, that was a good one. That was a good one in the chat, dude. That was a good one. Let's see. K-Dub said he's trying to protect banks. He doesn't care about Americans. Facts. Facts. It's all about the money. Hey, must be the money. If you want to go and take a ride with me with 3 room and the home and the danger. Oh, why must I feel this way? Hey, Gary, must be the money. My God, man. Gary the Gensler. We got Adam said, check out Rose. It's Valentine's Day and pumping. Let's check out Rose, man. I mean, there's a lot of altcoins that are making some good moves. Let's check out Rose. Let's see Rose. All right, Rose has got a lot. We're on the really short-term time frames here. All right, you broke the highs. Now you got a little bearish divergence on the hourly, right? So this one's pumping. I'll give you a little pump song for it. Make sure you pay yourself though, because it's bearish div. Won't be surprised if this one pulled back here, but here you go. Here you go, man. Here you go. Come on, baby. It's Valentine's Day, and we got Rose pumping. It makes so much sense. Come on, baby. He said Rose is a scam. Everything is a scam. No, but you got higher highs, you got lower highs. This one probably pulls back, but that's a nice little move, man. That's a nice little move. Bigger time frames. This kind of looks like a, not to burst the general bubble here, right? No pun intended. All right. Yes, we're trying to burst the bubble, but this one kind of looks like it's forming like a longer term wedge. Still could go higher, right? You could come all the way back down to the bottom of range, then come back all the way up to the top of the range again, right? But it looks like it's forming the only pattern that I really like, which is a wedge, man. So we'll see if this plays out longer term. But you got 3 touches on the bottom side, 3 touches on the top side. It's looking a little wedgy out on this bitch. You got bearish div on the 4-hour too. Lower highs, higher highs. Won't be surprised to see what this one make its way slowly. It could just go south. It could do 2 things. It could just dump, Or it could just kind of, range sideways like this, flag out before it gets to rise up again. One of the two. Either way, I think it comes back down to test this trend line, though. Just the way it looks. Let me see. Did you watch Tyler S today? I did not watch Tyler S. What did Tyler S do? I did not watch. I honestly, I've only watched a few of Tyler S's videos, man. You know what I mean? I've only watched it. Who is the best crypto, guys? Who is your favorite crypto tuber? Okay, who's your favorite crypto tuber? Don't say me. Don't say me. Some of you guys will be nice and say, Jordan, you're my favorite. It's Valentine's Day. I'm going to make Jordan feel good. Now, who's your favorite crypto tuber out there besides, don't say me, but who is? Let me know. Your favorite. If you had to pick one, you could only pick one channel to watch. Which channel would you pick? I want to know. Right? I need some new peeps to watch, man. Let me know. Trader Main's cool. I like Trader Main. I watched a few of his live streams. He's cool. Let's see. My favorite is Bob, and then Trader. My favorite is Bob and Trader Main. Let's see. Gareth Soloway. Let's see. Don't say me. I told you to don't say me, man. You, Mitch, and Frankie. I like Mitch. I like Frankie. They're cool. He said. Someone said savvy. Someone said savvy, man. Listen, man, if you like the dryness, man, if you like hopping on a live stream and hearing, what's going on, guys? It's Savvy. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin's still looking bearish to me, right? Very, very.
Bitcoin is bearish.
I'm still looking at the Amazon fractal playing out, guys. There's a clear Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3 to the downside. If you guys want to, go check out my wife's store. She can sell you a lot of cool shit. Yeah, man. All right, let's do some Litecoin TA. Yeah, man. All right, let's see. Ran? Oh, crypto banter. Oh, Lord. Jason Casper. Let's see. Tom Crown, Tyler S., and Jordan. Jordan, you got to check out Jason. Dude, I watched Jason. You guys know my answer. I told you guys this the other day. If I could pick one person to watch, who do you think I would watch? Can you answer in the chat? Who do you think if I could only choose one channel to watch, which channel would I watch, man? Let me know. I'll give you a hint. If I'm watching someone, man, I need a little bit pizzazz. I need some personality. I don't like boring, freaking just monotone people. I need some pizzazz. Who would I watch, man? Let me know in the chat. All right. Maybe during a bull market I get a little boring pizzazz. You know what I'm saying? A little boring pizzazz. Hold on. I know who Wojak would watch. Wojak right now is looking at the charts going, man, thinking voice. Why did I short today? Oh my God. Look at where Bitcoin is right now. I think I'm going to short again. This looks like a good shorting opportunity. Jordan says to buy low and short high. I think I'm going to short right now. I'm not going to wait for another move up. I'm going to short from right here. That sounds like a good idea. What could go wrong? Right now? Yes, we just got confirmation that Wojak has gone short. Yes, he is trying to be a good trader by shorting to the highs. Let's mess him up. He technically did the right thing, but let's punish him. He wants to be a pro trader. Let's pump the market anyways, even though we're at the golden pocket. He will never want to trade again. He will think TA is astrology. Yes, pump it. Pump it right now. Pump it. Pump it. I love Wojak. I love the Wojak videos, man. I love it. Those will never get old to me. Like some people say, those are old. They just do the same thing every time. I love the Wojak videos. Those are awesome. I can watch those every day of the week, man. I love seeing Wojak get wrecked. That's the best, dude. Taking care of business. Did someone say golden pocket? Not that golden pocket, man. Don't be weird. Don't be weird. Bitcoin's still just kind of holding up here, guys. All right, let's check some altcoins. What do we got? Some alts, man. I mean, we got, what time is that? We got 8 o'clock here on the stream. We're kind of chilling right now. All right, you guys said, all right, who would I pick? I told you guys this the other day. If I was to pick one stream to watch, it would be Jason Casper. The reason why I say that is I think we got a similar personality, number one. Number two is, that's really it, man. I mean, listen, that's what I like. I would pick, if I was to pick one person to watch, it would be Jason Casper. You guys go check him out, man. Seriously. Seriously. Sorry, 22,146. I used to say Tino. Now he's just... I still like Tino, man. But like, oh man, it's the macro FUD. Now it's alien FUD. I don't know where we're going with this. I don't know where we're going with this, man.
Rant alert.
All right. Anyways, 22,148. Come on, man. Give me something. Give me something here for Bitcoin. A little bit of an M. I would argue, like short term, there's a little bit of M formation, retest. Doesn't look the best here in the short term. 5-minute trigger weight. You're getting a 5-minute trigger weight, but like it's not really getting you anywhere. It's really not getting you anywhere, man. It's really not. When this is all over, you remember? Let's see. Maybe, Brian. Maybe, man. Let's see. Ajax between 600 and 1,000% last month. Ajax. Dude, the AI coins went nuts again today, right? FET went up like 20% again today. Ocean went up about 15% today. You had some massive moves. The AI coins continue to kill it. Let's look at this one, right? This is Ajax, right? So let's look at this. Daily, you didn't even get to the 30 EMA. These things are teasing you. These things are literally teasing you. Look at this. Rise, retrace. You think you're coming back to the EMAs, but you just rise again. Rise, retrace. You think you're coming back to the EMAs. Are you just going to rise again? We'll see. 4-hour time frame. All right, let's see. To me, it's a very similar price action to Bitcoin, but this level right here is key. This is a key level right here, right? Because this is these two previous resistance points. Okay, if you want to hold this like W formation with the lows, rise, and then come back and test, you gotta hold this region here. This level is big. This is a big ass butt region, right? This is huge. We don't want to be dumping here. If you dump here, that's gonna be like you're going out on your Valentine's Day tonight, right? And she cancels last minute. How would you feel? That wouldn't feel very good, right? You probably would be pretty depressed. If Ajax breaks this level, it's probably gonna feel the same way, like your Valentine's Day, crushing your dreams tonight. Okay, absolutely crushing it. Now, if your Valentine's Day is some type of food, or your Valentine's Day maybe playing the Harry Potter game, then I want to play, man. Everyone's been telling me that Harry Potter game is legit. I want to play that damn Harry Potter game, bro. But I still look up for Ajax. I still see this vector candle up here. I still think they're coming back up here to test that. I guess we sort of roll with the punches with that one. But yeah, I still look at this. There's a lot of inequality in the chart, right? Back up here to the upside. So this was a quick move down. I don't think you just dump right here. I think if they're gonna dump it, they're gonna rise it up, take this inequality in the chart before then they can dump it back down. All right. The dump here, I don't think that would make too much sense. I think they want to build their shorts a little bit higher if they want to dump it. To dump it from right here, I don't see it. Man. I think they're going to want to build their shorts if they're going to want to dump it back up a little bit higher. That's my take, though. If they even want to build their shorts, right? But time will tell. Hatrix said they. They is the market maker. They is the people that actually control the market. They is the people that, they do whatever they want to do. right? If they want to dump it, what do? They send out the whale signal, right? They send out the whale signal, okay? And they basically say, hey, let's pump Chainlink. Let's pump Chainlink. That's gonna tell all the other whales that the market's gonna dump. Okay? How'd Chainlink do today, by the way? So Bitcoin got to rise up. Chainlink, okay, which we know is the bear signal, okay? Chainlink, I don't think Chainlink like went to the moon today. Chainlink barely pumped. Chainlink barely freaking pumped. So I think, I don't know. Do we, if Bitcoin does want to come up higher, right? I just said, let's see if it does. But if Bitcoin starts breaking back into this range again, we need to watch Chainlink. Okay, I'm telling you, if you could watch all the TA in the world, the only thing that's been accurate for calling the Bitcoin dumps has been the Chainlink whale signal. Okay, on this channel, we'll be looking out for the Chainlink whale signal. We ain't gonna be playing around. We're not gonna be looking at pickles. We'll be looking at pickles because we want to see green pickles. But when we see that Chainlink pump, man, we're gonna be out of this market like Jackie Chan in Jackie Chan 3, right? That's what we're gonna be doing. Let's see. Bears always get the laugh at the bulls in the end. They do. They do. I mean, you could say the same thing about the bulls. The bulls laugh, the bears laugh. Bulls, bears, bulls, bears. 2022, you guys had a whole year to laugh, man. I don't know. You guys had a whole year to laugh. Okay? I mean, I don't know. Right? The whole year, you guys in your little echo chamber. And you guys were right. Don't get me wrong. Right? The whole year. Yeah, man, the economy's looking pretty bad. 2023 is going to be a horrible year. Down only. We're going to see a massive crash by Q1. Oh, look, it's halfway into February, and the market's been going up the whole year so far. Okay. Yeah, we're going to see a massive, massive crash in Q1. We're probably going to be down at the 8K level by March. It's looking really, really bad. The economy looks horrible. We are about to have a huge year. The herd, I mean, literally all the normies, Bob down the street, right? Tyrone over on Twitter over here. We all think that the economy is going to shit, right? So it's totally going to happen. Totally going to happen, guys. Totally. Let's see. He said 40K incoming. 40K incoming. 40K, I mean, 40K is a very, very big level, man. That is pretty damn high at this point. Honestly, let's focus on 25 first. I want to go away from that a little bit, saying, okay, we're going to go to 40K or 50K. Let's play it level by level, right? We'll play the 25K level, okay? Then we'll play the 30K level. And then we'll play, right? It's like you got this big level at 36K. And then we'll play 40K. Let's play it level by level. Let's not just say, okay, Bitcoin's going to pump to 40K from here, right? Because we don't know. We don't know. Bitcoin could pump to 39K and dump. It could pump. It could be done here. No one has any idea. So let's play it level by level. That's all we can do. I guess trying to kind of project too far out sometimes can get you a little bit screwed, man. You got to play the range that you're in. And then if you break that range, look for the next one. Right? If you break down, look for the next support. I mean, there's no way to know, right? Where's Alpi, by the way? Alpi's still calling for 69K by March. Time's ticking, man. Time is a ticking here. We're running out of time here, man. We need some more hopium. We need some damn hopium. Too much hopium on Valentine's Day, man. Too much hopium. Oh, man. Too much damn hopium in this bitch. Too much hopium right now. Shit, dude. Holy shit. All I know is, guys, the Bitcoin price is getting pretty tight right now. It's getting pretty damn tight. You see the Bitcoin price? Holy shit. It looks like it's coming in a little triangle. It's getting kind of tight. You can't even button how tight Bitcoin price is right now, man. Holy shiitake mushrooms. Bitcoin, I guess, is... So let's see in the short term. You're holding the 30 and 50 EMAs. 15-minute time frame. I'm not going to be looking for these prices down here unless you break these EMAs here. You're holding your 15-minute trend. So let's continue to ride that shit until it doesn't work. The DXY, right? Let's jump into the DXY real quick. DXY kind of just ranging sideways. Once again, I mean, If you're a bull, you think it's going down. If you're a bear, you think it's going up. I mean, it's really just in a range. So let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Let's just paint our range. We got our highs, right? We got our lows. Let's not say it's going to break up or down. Let's just play this damn range. And look where it is. In the most probably confusing spot it could possibly be in. The DXY is sitting right in the middle of this range. Okay? So the question is, tomorrow, will this pump or dump? I mean, if we trust indicators, we are getting a red dot on the 1 hour on the DXY going into tomorrow, right? So let's see, right? I mean, I'm not going to say the DXY is going to dump down here. I'm not going to say the DXY is going to pump down here. Let's work in this range first. Okay, let's play this damn range on the DXY. And when we break the range, we'll get kind of crazy. We'll get a little crazy in this bitch. Someone said 13. 13. All I do know is that what's the biggest range for something to get rejected from? The 618. Where did the DXY come up to? Ding, ding, ding. Chicken wings for dinner, tofu if you're vegan. The golden pocket, where it's been kind of chilling up here for a little bit. Once again, I was convinced we're coming at the 786. We still could, but you're struggling with that golden pocket here. So we'll see if we can work our way higher there on the DXY. Let's see. Gary Grundler. Stock markets crushed it again today. I mean, not crushed it. I mean, I would say, considering that you got bad CPI, they did very, very well. Back up to the highs on the NASDAQ, and back up to the highs on the S&P as well. Right? Now, this one looks a little bit bearish tomorrow. You got to like a W formation or M formation at the highs. This one, you're back up to the top of the range. This one, these like NASDAQ and S&P might correct tomorrow. I mean, it looks pretty obvious that it's probably going to come back down. So we'll see if that impacts Bitcoin. But same kind of deal. I mean, we'll play this level by level. You're in a big range, right? You got your range highs, you get your range lows. Let's just play this range, right? We're at the top of the range. Is the S&P going to start coming back down to some retracement levels? We'll see. We'll see on this one. Bitcoin, come on. We want the juice tonight. Don't make us wait till tomorrow, man. Don't make us wait till tomorrow. We want the juice tonight, my man. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. We want the juice tonight. Give us that juice. Come on, give us that juice, baby. Give us that juice. You're being a little bit of a snail tonight. I will say that. Being a little bit of a snail. Little old Bitcoin being a big old snail. Stumbledore said, what characters you got to mock Klaus Schwab? I got nothing to mock Klaus Schwab, man. I got nothing. Honestly, I would have nothing to say. I would have nothing to say. You know what I'm saying? Nothing to say. Judge Bible said California has really good Mexican food. Dude, what state does not have good Mexican food, bro? Every state has good Mexican food. I've never had bad Mexican food. I've never had bad pizza. I've never had bad burgers. There are some things that you just can't be bad. Like, have you guys ever had a pizza that you actually didn't like? Now, it might be a shitty pizza, right? But you enjoyed eating it because it was pizza. Have you ever had a bad pizza? Have you ever had a bad burger? Like, you can have a burger that's not, like, good compared to other burgers, but not where you're like, man, this burger was shit. I would not eat another one of this. I doubt it. I doubt it. Let's see. Shrimp tacos, said Michael.
They call IT the American dream. Cause
burgers can be overcooked.
To experience IT.
I agree. I actually like my burgers a little bit more cooked. I'm not gonna lie. Like, if I had to take a burger, I don't like a lot of red in my burgers. I like my burgers medium well. So for me, overcooked, yeah, overcooked can be pretty shitty. Let's see. Salvo said, I see. Never been to Indiana. What do they have? Bad Mexican food over there? How do you have bad Mexican food? It's just cheese, a wrap, right? Chicken, bean. Like, how do you make bad Mexican food? It's just the same ingredients, just inside it's something, you know? Whether it's an enchilada, a taco, a burrito, a bowl, it's the same damn ingredients. You can't mess that up. You can't. Come to the Philippines. They cook up most things. Pizza, burgers. My dog won't eat. Man, oh man, oh man. Maybe it's not a burger. Maybe it's a dog. You know what I'm saying? maybe it's a dog. Oh man. I could never see someone eat a dog, bro. I could never eat a dog. I love dogs. I could never eat a dog. If I saw someone eat a dog, bro, this would be me. You know? This would literally be like this guy right here. This pencil neck right here. You see him? This would be me watching someone eat a dog. You see this pencil neck? That would be me. You cannot eat dogs, bro. You can't do that. It's messed up. Dogs love you. Okay? Eat cats if you're gonna eat a pet. They're gonna get all the cat people are coming after me. Oh shit! Here they all come. Shit. All the cat people are coming after me. Holy shit! Oh my god! They're all coming after me right now. All right. What else we got for some alts? I mean, let's look at some high caps. While we got them in here. Let's see what else we got. Let's do some of these. Anything really moving today? A lot of alts just came up to your 4-hour trend. So you got your 30 and 50 EMAs. A lot of them broke out of wedge formations. Right? Optimism, good example. Right? Hot coin. You basically came back down to this previous daily high. You held it in a falling wedge. You broke to the upside. But like same thing as Bitcoin. You're stuck in your 30 and 50 EMAs. You got to be able to reclaim these. Okay? And where I look for ads, basically this, I like to play the 30 and 50 EMAs and the 4-hour trends. So if this breaks up and then retests, that's where I'm entering right there. Okay? But below here, honestly, like this is probably a better short area right here. You know? If you're going to play it the opposite way. What's another hot one? DYDX doing really, really well today. DYDX is just basically in one big falling channel. You see this? DYDX. Lower lows, lower highs, just in a big channel. This is another one. I mean, kind of just struggling with this 30 and 50 EMAs here. You cannot reclaim this bitch. You know what I mean? You try to get back above the W formation highs, but you got a little bit of rejection, man. You got a little bit of rejection. So, I mean, the question will be tomorrow, can we have enough juice to break the W formation? You know what I mean? That's the big one there. If it does, we're looking for a range highs, right? We're just looking to test these range highs, and we'll play it like this. I mean, in the daily, this looks like a big old bull flag. A big old bitch flag, you know what I'm saying? DYDX actually looks juicy in the daily. Right? Look at this thing. Broke out of your range highs. This is a decentralized exchange, by the way, which I assume are going to continue to be hot because these are because all the FUD on these exchanges, but you basically broke up, came back down, retested. Looks like a big old bull flag. We'll see if it plays out, though. You know, this would give you some crazy target. Right? This would give you something absolutely nuts. Right? This would give you like an $8 target. I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. But like over the course of months, you know, I think that could be a possibility. Of all DYDX, GRT or Ocean. GRT, let's do GRT. GRT has been a hot one, right? Super hot one. Why was it not working when I click? Work, man, you stupid mouse. Holy shit, I'm about to smash this shit, right?
Jordan, wait, can I smash it? Wait, Jordan, I don't want to smash it. Please, I like to smash shit, right? I'm trying to smash in these holes lately. Can I just smash your damn mouse? I like to smash, all right? No, you need it? Oh, Christ, man. You know what? I want some ketchup. Whoa, is that ketchup on your screen? Holy shit, give me some of that ketchup. Give me it. Oh, pour in my mouth, come on. Oh my God, this is some good ass ketchup on this meatloaf. Oh yeah, baby. Come on.
What we got? Colin in this bitch. Colin, what's up, man? Oh, I'm still still this guy. All right, let me get him off. GRT. Let's be serious. Let's be serious, man. We're here for seriousness. You can't have fun. Let's see what we got. 4-hour time frame. Let's find some meme pattern in here. What do we got? So GRT. Same type of deal. I mean, this one actually was moving up prior to today, right? I mean, you really have been performing well in GRT overall, but this one's still holding the 4-hour EMAs, right? Still in the 4-hour EMAs, right? So all is good there. This one's another one where you kind of deviate in the highs, right? You deviate in this W formation highs, right? 1 hit, 2 hits, you deviate above. Now you want to hold this as support to get a continued move to the upside. Same type of deal. You know, still not the best price action, right? And this one could certainly come back down and take some of this liquidity to the downside because you got vector candle. Come back down, take this liquidity to get the move to the upside first. Certainly. But this is another one, man. I don't think they just dump it from look at this from a logical standpoint, guys, right? They wouldn't just dump this from here. It just doesn't make sense. Look at this big move to the upside and then a dump. Okay? First of all, you got a wick, but whatever the wick. Look at this inequality in the chart, right? Fast move. They recover the fast moves. So even if you're bearish, right, you would think they would bring it to the upside, recover this inequality in the chart before they dump it. Okay? So even if you're bearish, I still look at this and I think I got to be a little short-term bullish, even if they pull it back immediately, right? Even something like this. It just doesn't make sense from a structure standpoint. They would just dump it like this. It doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense to me. Bring it up, they build their shorts, and then they dump it. Or they bring it up, you know? Either way, just from a strictly psychological standpoint, no meme patterns, no freaking up and handle, this and that. Just from a logical standpoint. Let's see. Empty said we gonna go up more. Depends on what time frame you're talking about, man. I mean, immediate term, short term. I mean, like the 15-minute time frame, hourly time frame. Those look a little droopy. Those look a little bit droopy. If you're at the golden pocket, you typically see pullbacks from the golden pocket. Like 4-hour daily time frame. Hell yeah, I think we got moved to the upside still. Hell yeah. I think the daily looks super good. And this is what I've been saying. Like, you know, you're going to get that daily green dot tomorrow. You get your stock RSI bottomed out on the daily. You're right at the mid-level of the range. I don't know, man. The only thing that's bearish to me is the overall outlook, right? That Gensler, stupid Gary Gensler coming after the stable coins. Other than that, just looking at the chart, I don't see the reason to be uber bearish right here. I don't. I guess that maybe the other thing is you basically retesting the range lows and flipping them as resistance, right? Maybe that, but you know, other than that, I don't see that narrative at the moment. Like other than the FUD, but you had the FUD today, and I guess it didn't really matter today. And I will say this: like if any of this FUD happened last year, right? Think about this. Imagine you had the BUSD FUD 2 months ago. It would have been a shit show. Imagine if you had the bad CPI print 2 months ago. It would have been a shit show. The fact that the market absorbed this, okay, and didn't just dump back down, I think shows the overall strength of the market. That's just my opinion. You guys can disagree, agree, whatever. But you guys know if these two things happened 2 months ago, December, November, October, the market would have dumped 10% plus today. Easy, man. Waterfly said, you never had a bad burger? Oh, White Castle. White Castle is trash, man.
Rant alert.
White Castle is trash. How many peeps we got in here tonight? Let's see. It's Valentine's Day, so it'll probably be a little bit slower day. People got their dates, you know. People got their dates. Everyone that's here, you know, I'm your date. I'm your date tonight, man. I'm your date. How many peeps we got in here tonight? Let's see. Let's see how many peeps we got in here tonight. We got, okay, we got 630. We got 300 likes, guys. What is this shit? What is this shit? Let's hit up that like button for the little move up today. It was good. It was nice, man. It was a nice little move up today. And I'm sorry for everyone who shorted the lows. It is what it is. Don't be salty at me. I didn't tell you. I didn't tell you to short. But at the same time, let's do it, man. Let's get up to 4. Can we get 400 likes right now? I think we can do it. I think with everything we can do it. Let's see. See, your mom will be your date. If you need a date, your mom's right in the chat. My mom's off limits. Okay, my mom is off limits. So stay away from my mom, you know? What's going on? Guys, I am taken. Mike treats me very, very well. Okay? He treats me very, very well. I've only had to talk to his manager one time. All right? And that's when, last Valentine's Day, he didn't get me any flowers. Listen, I'm a bougie bitch. Okay? I need flowers. And Mike did not get me flowers last year. So what did I do? I called his job. Okay? I called his job and I complained. And I told him that the reason why Mike hasn't been to work a few days was because of me. And I got him in trouble. He never going to do that again. This time he's been super sweet to me on Valentine's Day. He has. Because I'm a bougie ass bitch. I need my flowers. Okay? And he didn't get me a vase. He got me flowers this year and he didn't get me a vase. That's disgusting. I am so unappreciative. He got me flowers and no vase. Ridiculous. Ridiculous. You guys ever see that TikTok video of that girl? Some guy, okay, that she's not even with, got her flowers to be nice. Okay. Now, some of you guys will say simp, whatever. Got her flowers to be nice. And she bitched and she threw the flowers back at him because he did not get her a vase to put the flowers in. Bro, you can't make this shit up, man. You can't make this shit up. You can't make this shit up, man. You really, really can't. I'm dead serious about this, too. I'm dead serious about this, too. I don't know if you guys ever seen that. If you haven't, look it up. Dude, if that was me, I'd be like, bitch, what have you done for me? All right? Holy shit, man. Holy shit. She belongs to the streets. Facts. Facts. Let's see what we got. Five Guys were always great. Dude, Five Guys is, if I had to pick a chain, it's Five Guys. Easy. Five Guys is the chain that I go to. Not even a damn question, man. Five Guys has got the best burgers. That's why they call it Five Guys Burgers and Fries. You know what I'm saying? Five Guys Burgers and Fries. Their Cajun fries are legit. Absolutely legit. I would bang out some Cajun fries. I get the large fry. You guys might say, Jordan, you're a fat ass. Bro, I can eat a lot. If it's something that I like, I can eat it. The large fry at large Cajun fry and a double cheeseburger at Five Guys, you already know what's up. Let's see. Anderson said, I'd be like, bitch, ain't you ever got flowers before? You ain't got your own vase? That's so true, man. That's so true. Five Guys is the bomb. That's the best burger chain there is. Easy. I'll put Wendy's up there too. I think Wendy's is pretty good. Wendy's, Five Guys, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong in my opinion. All right, guys. I think Bitcoin's just kind of holding out here. Just kind of holding out. Really ain't doing too much right now. I think I might call it a stream here tonight. Let's see. They call IT the American dream because you got to be asleep to experience it. They call IT the American dream because you got to be asleep to experience it. Stumbledore, I don't get the joke, man. You think the super chat? I do not get the joke, bro. Like, it takes me like 10 minutes to get a joke. They call IT the American dream because you got to be asleep to experience it. I really don't get it, man. Like, I'm trying. Because you got to be experienced. You got to be asleep to experience IT. Dude. It's going over my head, bro. Psycho Pearl said, honest opinion on Gala next bull market. I like Gala, man. I think they got to come out some good games. But I think, gaming and metaverse, that's all younger kids do nowadays, man. All they like to do is play video games. Okay? They love computers. They love video games. Okay? It may not be right away, but I do think when this generation that's in high school now, middle school and younger, dude, they just love to be in virtual shit. The metaverses and the gaming will be big, okay? It will. Even people my age, man. I mean, like, we loved video games. I still love video games. I don't really play video games anymore, but I still love video games. I want to play that damn Harry Potter game.
Next bull
Right?
market?
That shit is gonna be big. They just need to come out with some good games. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that's really what it comes down to at the end of the day. You know? Anyways, though, I generally mean that, though, right? Kids nowadays, right, that are like in their teens and low and younger, dude, they just love video games, bro. They love video games, and especially the video games where they can walk around and talk to their friends. That's literally the metaverse. It's gonna be big. When? Could be 5-10 years down the road, but that shit's gonna be big, man. I'm telling you. Anyways, I am getting the hell out of here, man. I'm getting the hell out of here. Have a fantastic night, guys. I gotta go have some Valentine's Day dinner. Okay. What? What? Oh my God. All right. Anyways, guys, I need to find out a backup plan for Valentine's Day dinner. I'm out of this shit. Have a fantastic night, guys. We'll be back for a stream tomorrow morning. We got the market open. The DXY, I think, was coming up a little bit tonight. The stock market was coming down slightly on the futures. Actually, making a little green candle there in the futures. But we'll see. We'll see. Adios, guys. Have a fantastic night. Don't be afraid to do anything I want to do. Don't pay crypto. Most want to pay get up, but don't take profits as the market moves up. Don't let anyone tell you they have to be a diamond hands. All right? Don't let anyone tell you got to be a diamond hands, man. All right? Before we go, though, let's get a little pumpy. And that's not what you think it is. That's not what you think it is. Okay? Anyways, guys, let's get a little try to pump song going tonight. Because I want to pump, baby. Peace out, dude. Peace out. 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 Lewis said, have sex, guys. Later.